Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Social Security taxes. First, gather your SSA 1099, W-2s, and any 1099 and check your filing status. Next, calculate your combined income using adjusted gross income plus non-taxable interest and half of your Social Security benefits. Use that total to see if benefits are taxable. Keep clear records and set aside documents for easy entry when you or your preparer file. Gather your numbers and add adjusted gross income, tax-exempt interest, and 1/2 of your Social Security benefits to get combined income. Then compare that combined income to the IRS-based thresholds for your filing status to find the taxable portion. If benefits are taxable, enter the correct amount on Form 1040, where requested, and follow instructions to avoid errors. Double-check calculations to prevent surprises and keep copies for your records. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it helps a lot. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts. And yes, they beat flimsy pairs when you're standing through long tax sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick a pair if you want, and now let's get back to the video. If you prefer simplicity, tax software walks you through Social Security worksheets and calculates taxable amounts automatically. If your income is complex, a qualified preparer can save time and reduce audit risk. Filing electronically speeds processing and helps catch simple errors with built-in checks. Remember to attach any required statements and keep digital or paper copies of SSA 1099 and return information in case you need them later for verification or amendments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.